Guess what? This is Mr. H with the auto tips. Okay, what we have here 2017 Infiniti QX60. All right, so customer state it break down on the highway, no start, no power. All right, so now we're gonna check and see, get into the diagnose and check and see what we're gonna find. Okay, let's get in here. First, we're gonna check the fuel. See if we get in fuel. So here's the fuel line. I disconnected already. I put the container to see if I can get some fluid, some gas. So let me go crank it and you're gonna see if the gas coming out. All right, so the gas should come in here. I had a little gas in the container already. All right, so we got no gas coming. I didn't see it, so I'm just saying. What do you think? Gas come out of there? No. All right, so there's no gas coming out. I had a little gas in there in this container. So let's go in the back and we're gonna check for the power on the ground on the fuel pump. All right, so I have the fuel pump all set up already. All right, so I pull the back seat out. I'm gonna check the power on ground here. All right, this one here, that's a ground. See the green light? And it's 12 volt, but it's 11 point. All right, so if I hold it here and turn off the ignition, it should go away. So that means we're getting ignition here. So the ignition turn the pump on. What I'm gonna do is turn off the key and see what happened. Ignition went away, I guess. So now it turned green. So we're getting power and we're getting ground there. All right, so the next move is I have to take out, I gotta take out the fuel pump. All right, let me see. Okay. I'm gonna take the fuel pump out. I have to get a container to catch it. 1 second there. Move this stuff out of here. Alright, so we can pop this 8mm out, couple of them. Uh-oh. I have to get 8mm to put in there. Alright, so I get my 8mm ready. So we're gonna take this out, break it loose. You have that. And some glue on it. Yep. this one out first. It's 8, but he doesn't want to go in. Might have to get a 9. See, he goes in here. Some glue, body glue they have on there. Beats seam sealer they put on there. Alright, so I'm gonna put on a 9 instead. See, my 9 too big. Yep. 9 too big now. Might have to get back to 8. Alright, so nope. No good, my friend. Doesn't want to go. Okay, so now I'm gonna get an 8 and I use a hammer. Hammer this baby down. Got an 8 here. On my swivel extension. Come on, you. Into the socket on with the ratchet. As you can see, they have it right here. There you go. This one too. Okay, got a piece out. Good. So now we can slip it in there. What happened? Still don't want to go. This is 8. Okay, now break loose. Right out. Come on, grab this one, not the piece here. Let's see. I don't know. There's a piece in the back of it. Right here. Okay. One. The hair put on seam sealer in it. Okay, good. Okay. That out. Let's see. Coming out. Good. All right. So got all that out. Now move it out of the way. Push over here. Wonder if this guy have gas in the car. Imagine you don't have gas. You are the gas. I think so. Alright, let's see. Okay, stop there. There we go. You can't believe this. Holy shit. Do you know? Look in the gas tank. There's no gas. Look. So how the pump gonna pick up the gas? You believe that? Let me put a key on and see how far it goes. Oh shit. This guy gauge not working. Let's see. Gauge is empty. But I guess the gauge is not working properly. Oh, I gotta plug it in. Sorry. I forgot. I unplug it. So the gauge is not working too. So now, plug that in. Alright, now let me see if the gauge is working properly. Yeah. Okay. I gotta look at the gauge here. Oh, you say half a tank.
Weather alert. Hail warning.
This is done.
around current
I say half a tank
location.
gas. So let me see. I put this one up, and it reads full. It's going up at full. Let me see that. All right. So look at the fuel gauge. Can you see it there? Let me see between. Yeah. Go on the side. Hold the fuel. Hold it to the fuel gauge. Let's see. Let's see. All right, now you see the fuel gauge here. I'm gonna move the gauge up and down, so hold it there. Let's see how the gauge work. That's the gauge, yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the gauge up. I put the fuel sender up. So let me see. Oh, it's all the way up. Okay, so I let it down. I drop it, so it's going down. So I don't know how much it was reading. I didn't look at it before. Let me pop it in the tank and see what happened. How much it reads. You get a false reading. I think you get a false reading from the sender, from the other side. Okay. What do you say now? Half full is down empty. Alright, so it's not getting the right reading. So right now the tank is empty. Maybe the other side telling me you have gas. And it's not getting no gas. Alright, so that's the diagnosis for now. Empty gas tank. And please hit that subscribe button. Alright. and I hit you up at the next one and see what's going on with it. What fixed the car? Okay, later.